My friendly neighborhood. I'm so scared. Alright, a difficulty. Hello everyone! We are playing a horror game today, even though that's all I ever play. I mean, I'm not a sissy baby. Obviously I have to pick survival. Check.
Last time I stick my neck out for someone.
Am I playing as the puppet guy?
Oh, I'm not eating that.
Or is he a normal
That's
guy?
been there for days.
Okay, wait. Let's, come on, give me that thing. There's a thing, there's like a rag here, isn't there? Ooh, a candy bar. Ooh, a piece of candy.
I'm not leaving yet. I just got
Okay.
here.
That's everything I can do.
Disable the antenna.
I'm healthy.
The last job of the day is always the worst.
Some sort of slot. I feel stupid. What am I missing here? I checked. Wait. No, I didn't check here. Oh, it was just the last place I possibly could have checked that was correct. My mistake. What's up? Ooze.
What on earth?
Ugh.
Is this glue?
Psychomantis. Okay, we got one half of the medallion. Okay.
Ring me. Okay.
Definitely a human.
Raise the curtain. Bring up the lights. The neighborhood is coming to town.
Hello. I'm here to disconnect the antenna.
Television's heartbeat has returned. A spirit of cheer brightens every child's eye. I am Ricky the Sock. Your television will never be the same. Hold on. Did you say disconnect the antenna? Oh, that wasn't pleasant. I'm gonna take a sec.
Okay then.
Alright.
Who's that?
What the heck? What's he walking like a titan? So we went in there, we got a key card, saw a creepy puppet, sock puppet. Told us not to take down the antenna. Got a token. That said men. Men! We don't know what we did. Locked. Okay, what's in here? The way the door's open.
I'm
Hello?
a really normal guy.
Is anyone there?
I just kind of show up to be a friendly face in the background. Sometimes I get some lines to recite too. Let me show you.
What in the world?
Whoa!
Is that guy like bad?
That was a great.
I don't know if I feel like if I go up to him he's gonna kill me.
You give me a task, and I'll give you a craft. I like to
I have no clue, Jay. This is like my first time playing, so this is just like the tutorial.
Squares and circles and patch them all
Oh, there's
together.
more.
Then the fun part starts. Take your closest friend and separate all of their parts into little piles based on color. This will be what you make your crafts out of. I like to use Norman because he has all sorts
I'm
of
so confused. What is
parts
happening?
I can use. Now I start patching my piles of friend onto the pipe cleaners.
Are they gonna kill me? episode 16 script. Think Outdoor Bazaar. Bro, that wasn't nice. Can't just push people out of the way. Magazine. A magazine? Yeah, you're right. This ain't even scary. I kind of want a weapon or something. I don't know if those guys are trying to kill me or not. Nice duct tape. Oh my god. That's so dumb. Why did that scare me? That's so dumb. I have such dramatic, over-the-top reactions. People are gonna think I'm faking it. Here's, ooh, a wrench. Swing the wrench. Okay. Well, I have a wrench now.
The mail? The mail comes every day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears. And then when it does,
Okay, I can't crouch. It
I rush
turns me
outside
around.
to see what I got. Sometimes it's little pieces of paper. Sometimes it's big boxes. No matter
Bioshock
what, I
reference?
always
Yeah.
open it immediately.
So you actually give him a big ol' hug, right?
Socks? I got it in the mattress.
off of me.
Oh my god!
Jeez. Hey,
Years.
stay back.
We keep hanging out together.
Oh my god! Hit him!
Are you a friend? Aren't we friends yet? When are we starting? Are we starting now? A one,
Okay, I
and a
got him
two,
stuck.
And a three, and a four.
Can I hit
Let's
him?
be excellent. Let's be excellent.
I didn't know it was gonna.
Oh.
How do I heal? How do I heal? Oh my god. Wait, use. Did that work? Bro, I don't know. I've never seen anything on this game, okay? I don't play survival horrors a lot. Wait, can I?
Get off of me.
Okay, that didn't work.
Oh, no.
Okay.
I want to scrap you.
Oh my god.
Oh, man, that's gonna hurt.
Okay, I got past him. Where's the pallet? Where's the pallet? Oh my god, there's more. Save? Oh, is that what the tokens are for? Oh, okay. So it's like Resident Evil. Okay. Heal. And okay. Dude, that was a hard boss. I'm glad we beat him though. Okay, well we saved, so I don't think having health matters.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals.
Okay, unlock this. So I thought I could hit him with my wrench, but I guess not.
What? Learn the alphabet? What's the alphabet? Oh, that's easy. It's what words are made out of.
Locked.
Oh, you mean like the ones that I
Maybe I could find the key.
I
What's the
remember
shape
those.
all about?
A is
There's
for
stuff.
affability. B is
He
for
sounds like
elasticity.
Kermit.
C is for cave Amurda. And all the rest.
I have to beat this in 20. I don't know what I'm doing, man.
Green.
How am I gonna beat it in 20 minutes?
Carry the key.
Tell your friends to jump in lumps. Find a lump.
I don't know.
Do a jump. Wallow inside of that.
They really are. Like, how am I gonna
Whoa,
get
have some
past
fun.
them?
Keep on screaming till you've won. Whoa, no, I like.
Oh, I hit her.
You need a
Oh, okay, you can't get too close. I thought I could go faster. Okay. Well, that's fine. Easy mode now. So, we hit her, get her to follow us. Okay, now she'll follow.
Get off of me!
Okay, well, that didn't work. Okay, we run it back, run it back. It's about drive, it's about power. We stay hungry, we devour, and we take what's ours.
Get off of me!
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the first time... Wait, maybe if I just... Maybe I can run past her if I hit her once. Okay. Hit her. Run. Okay, that worked, that worked, that worked. No! She has enduring. Oh my god, what is that? Should I hit them? They have something I need? Which I've already been here. Took what? Almost. Wait, so I've already been here, so I'm missing something.
You get upset. Do you let it
This
get
might
you
be
down?
locked,
Let me
though.
tell you about the time.
You need a breath!
Yeah, that didn't work. I kind of feel really lost. Like, I don't know what to do. Can't beat him? Oh, he's an... I don't know if you're joking or you actually know, though. Let me try again.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals. For birds, you can bring... Whoa!
Okay.
Hey, 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 hey!
Okay, loop him! I looped him! Let's go! Yeah. Ah, this is why they call me the DVD champ. Ooh, a gun.
There you are. Now don't toddle off again. I've got some snackaroos waiting back in the lobby.
Hey, what's going on
Ooh,
here?
some
Your puppet
snackaroos.
friends are attacking me.
Oh, are they? How embarrassing. By the way, what's your name?
What?
Your name, your moniker, your handle, your nom de plume?
It's
Your nom de plume.
Gordon? What a beautiful name. I could say it all day. Gordon. Gordon. Gordon.
Is this a gun? Does it work?
Oh my, that's where I left that. I was looking for it all over the place. Wow. Ugh, fine. If you're gonna go gallivanting all over the place, then at least watch out for Pearl.
Pearl?
You know, the enormous bird that crushes people. Don't get on her bad side
Uh-oh.
is all I'm...
What was
You
that?
did you hear him? Watch out for Pudge. She crushes people.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay.
Where are we starting? Where are we starting now? If you stop and think about it, the letters are going...
Oh my god.
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. When it means they're not you can
Alphabet, huh?
tape them. Okay. Well, I shouldn't have wasted that tape then, probably. She's gonna step on us. Don't do that. Real. Where do I go now, though?
Locked.
Like, I got a gun.
Maybe I could find the key. What's this shape all about?
Maybe. Huh.
I'm a craft bubble.
Move, right?
What do you think, Leonard Lump? Oh, sure. Being a lump is great.
Let me try shooting her.
I'm here.
Okay, yeah. Well, that's more ammo. Come on, it's gotta be... Really, that's it? Oh, I could shoot this. Haha! There we go. Like,
All the wild animals. For birds, you can bring.
okay. There we go. Making progress. I want to hit this. Ooh, guitar. What is that noise? Is a dredge in here? You tell me I can't just untape that? I have hands. Am I on a world record pace?
You give me a task.
A
and
cheat
I'll give you a
unlocked.
draft. I like to start with pipe cleaners to give myself something to.
What does that mean? A cheat unlocked.
Lunch is my favorite meal of the day. I always eat the food that.
Is there... Wait. Wait, what did I just grab? Is it like a legit cheat? I don't understand. Maybe they didn't say cheat. Maybe it said something else. There's a thing there. Oh, okay. I thought I needed 2 of those for some reason, but I can go through here.
What? Learn the alphabet? What's the alphabet?
Oh my god. I feel like maybe I should save. Cause don't I lose all my progress if I don't? Okay. So we gotta watch out for Big Bird. And all the Muppets.
So
Dude,
eating can be the
what
best part of your day. I always start
are
with
these
bed.
noises?
First, I get my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. Put favorite condiments on it. I choose Worcestershire sauce.
Dude, what is going on?
Get every single part of your mouth covered and scrub the Worcestershire
Oh
sauce
jeez, there's the Big Bird.
in your mouth. Then, when you're all done, leave it till it can form a continual layer during the night. Now you're all ready to go. Well, thinking about
Oh jeez, where do I go?
Sometimes we would swap our arms, then we would swap our legs one by one. Each piece was swapped.
Dude, they're so loud.
Back to normal. That's what friends are for. They give you new fingers to use.
Okay, a letter block? That's all what all of this was for, a letter block? Dude, I hate these noises. I know! They won't stop yapping.
When you go to the park, bring some food for all the wild animals.
I'm here to educate
Oh
the
my God.
children. Hey!
Are you kidding me?
No!
Okay, she just... Oh! There's no handle on this side! Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oh, so the one core part of this game that's been showing me this whole time just doesn't work on her. Oh, I should have known. Blue door. I've already went through there. I was in here earlier, remember? It's with the gong. Yeah, it's alright.
That's quite a bird.
Oh gosh, there it is. How do they just teleport everywhere? Oh my god, dude, I don't know where to go.
Sleeping can be the best part of your day. I always start by getting ready for bed. First, I get my PJs on so I can be warm and comfy all night. Next, I go to the bathroom and grab my toothbrush. You can put
Oh my god!
condiments on your toothbrush. I choose Worcestershire sauce. Then, where are we starting? Are we starting now?
Run!
I wonder what happens when I scream.
Oh! I need a door, I need a door, I need a door, I need a door, I need a door.
I'm here to educate the children.
The mail comes every day. I look out the window waiting for the moment it appears.
If I go back through, will they be gone? It's pizza time. Oh my gosh. So you have to rotate the clock to the box you want opened? Is that how it works? Oh my god. That thing come in here? Probably. Maybe I can make it. Oh my gosh! What in the world? Bro, go away. Okay, can I shoot it? No, you can't shoot it. Ah, guess not. Okay.
Birds, you can bring welcome.
Jeez, dude. That took so much ammo. Oh my god. Dude, it takes so much. Oh shoot. I just wasted a tape. I didn't even mean to do that. I wonder if they're just taped for good, as long as you don't like load anything. I think I have to use a gun here. Am I even hitting him? Oh, there's like an invisible thing. So I only use like 5 bullets. Are you kidding me? Dude, how are you supposed to know what to do on this game? There's nothing I get in here. Are you kidding me? Dude, everything is locked. This is like the last bullet for myself. Honestly, at this point, it's probably better to just die so I can get my bullets back and try again. Dude, they're so loud. Oh. Is he still knocked out? I don't see him. Is he still in there? I just don't see him. Oh my god. Did I? That's so dumb. Why did I do that? He doesn't have a terror radius. Can you go away with your dumb bird off? So I have to go back around. Wait, he's gone. Orange square key, more bullets. Space camp. So that's the square key. Where did I need that? I don't remember. Oh crap. Do you remember where the square key was?
Sometimes we would swap our arms, then we would swap our legs one by one. Each piece was
No, it can't be that way.
to normal. That's what friends are for. They give you new fingers to use.
Oh my god. The register. Oh, that's back. That's back. Oh my god. Wait, can I just... Thank you, Jay, because I completely forgot. Okay, I got another token. Wait. What was it I just grabbed? UX. P. Oh, it's magazines. I wonder if I should try to go save. That stupid bird. So I need to go over there to escape it. Okay. So how much money do I have? So I have four more saves. Okay. Got more bullets. That's all that's in here. Okay. So I still haven't found the pizza one, but I did find the onion one. So maybe let's try to go get the onion one. Stupid bird, go away. What's in here?
I'm sure he's only today, so maybe I can talk to my echo. Hello.
Oh, Kermit's in here.
Hello. Oh, hey there.
Oh, square. I have a square key. Okay, more health.
Well. It's time for what does Norman notice?
Use that, so I have full health now.
Norman notices? Leonard! Wow, I can't believe you noticed me. Oh, I noticed all sorts of things.
Okay, we got an S.
Now, I notice,
Never save token. How many blocks do I need? Bro, this stream sucks.
Yeah, sure is quite around here these days. Oh, I like that. What the suitcases are good. I can't get.
Ooh, a new save thing. You know what? It's kind of a waste, but I will do it just because. Which, okay, this is like a pneumatic chest. Nothing in there. Okay. I think we'll call it here for today. Thank you for watching, Jay. I appreciate it. Thank you to everyone. If you like this, let me know, and I'll finish the game if people want this. Ooh, more duct tape. Yeah, if you guys want me to finish the game, just let me know, and I'll give it another try. Goodbye.